Why most people stay broke. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about why most people stay broke. Let's get into the video. Most people do not plan to stay broke. It's usually the results of habits, systems, and beliefs that quietly work against financial progress over time. While income certainly plays a role, being stuck financially is often less about how much you earn and more about how you manage, think about, and respond to money. Understanding the underlying reasons can be the first step towards changing the pattern. One major factor is the lack of financial education. Many people grow up without learning how money actually works, how to budget, save, invest, or manage debt. Schools rarely teach these skills in a practical way, so people enter adulthood making financial decisions based on guesswork or imitation. Without a solid foundation, it's easy to fall into cycles of overspending, undersaving, and relying on credit. Another key issue is lifestyle inflation. As people earn more, they tend to spend more. A raise does not necessarily improve financial stability if it's immediately absorbed by a more expensive car, a bigger apartment, or frequent dining out. This pattern keeps people living paycheck to paycheck regardless of income level. Instead of using increased earnings to build wealth, they maintain or even deepen their dependence on steady income just to sustain their lifestyle. Debt is another powerful trap. Credit cards, personal loans, and financing options make it easy to spend money you do not have. While debt can be useful in certain situations, it often becomes a long term burden due to high interest rates and minimum payment structures. Many people end up paying far more than the original cost of what they purchased, limiting their ability to save or invest. Over time, that can feel normal, even unavoidable, which makes it harder to break free. Short term thinking also plays a significant role. It's natural to prioritize immediate needs and wants, especially when money feels tight. However, consistently choosing short term gratification over long term stability leads to missed opportunities for growth. Saving for emergencies, investing for retirement, or building assets requires patience and discipline, qualities that are difficult to maintain without a clear long term perspective. Emotional spending is another common issue. Money is deeply tied to feelings, stress, boredom, insecurity, or even celebration. Many people use spending as a way to cope or reward themselves, often without realizing it. Small, frequent purchases driven by emotion can quietly erode financial stability. Without awareness and control, this behavior becomes a cycle that's hard to break. A lack of clear financial goals can also keep people stuck. Without specific targets, like saving a certain amount, paying off debt, or investing regularly, it's difficult to measure progress or stay motivated. Money becomes something that comes in and goes out, rather than a tool for building a better future. Clear goals create direction and makes it easier to prioritize decisions. Another overlooked factor is the influence of environment and social pressure. People are often surrounded by others who have similar financial habits, which reinforces those behaviors. Social media can amplify this effect, creating unrealistic expectations about lifestyle and success. The pressure to keep up can lead to spending beyond one means, even when it's financially harmful. Inconsistent income management is also a problem. Some people earn enough to be financially stable but lack structure in how they handle their money. Without a budget or system, it's easy to lose track of where money goes. This leads to overspending in some areas and neglect in others, such as savings or investments. Structure does not restrict freedom, it actually creates it by ensuring money is used intentionally. Fear and avoidance can further contribute to staying broke. Financial problems can feel overwhelming, leading people to ignore bills and avoid checking account balances or delay making important decisions. This avoidance often makes the situation worse. Facing directly, even when it's uncomfortable, is essential for making progress. Finally, many people underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. Building wealth does not usually come from a single big move, but from repeated disciplined choices over time. Saving a portion of income, avoiding unnecessary debt, and investing regularly. When people believe that change requires a dramatic shift, they may feel stuck and do nothing at all. In the end, staying broke is rarely about single mistake or limitation. It's usually the result of patterns, habits, beliefs, and decisions that compound over time. The encouraging part is that these patterns can be changed. With better education, clear goals, and more intentional behavior, financial situations can improve. It does not happen overnight, but with consistency and awareness, it's possible to break the cycle and build a more stable future. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.